Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to add store details on Footer Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to add store details on Footer Shopify. How to edit the store footer like this. Go to the Shopify customization page. Scroll down to the footer. Before customization, we need to have this data. We will create these policies automatically using Shopify. Click the drop-down menu in the footer. First, we select this menu option. Second, we select this brand information option. Third, we select this image option. We will follow this footer pattern. Now arrange this. Click on this image option and select Logo. We will add the quick link option later. First, we'll navigate to the heading option and add the Contact Us information. Now let's customize the quick link option to use it as a customer care option, like this footer. All of these policies are automatically created from Shopify, so we'll create them like this. Creating policy templates in Shopify and adding them to the navigation menu involves several steps. Go to Settings. Then go to Policies. You'll see sections for refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy. You can create your own policies or use Shopify's templates. For each policy, click into the policy text box. Write or paste your policy text. Shopify provides templates that you can customize by clicking the Create from Template button if you don't have your own. Create all of these policies and customize them according to your store details. After you've added the content for each policy, make sure to click Save at the top right of the screen. Now, adding policies to the navigation menu. Select the menu where you want to add the policy link, typically the footer menu or main menu. Enter the name of the policy, such as privacy policy or refund policy. Go to the customization to verify that the new links appear in the navigation menu where you added them. Now click on the footer and adjust the basic settings, including colors and other elements. Now save this and visit your store to see how it looks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.